Welcome to 4568 Poe Court in beautiful Brentwood, California. This charming single story features an open floor plan, high ceilings, and a great backyard for entertaining. Come on in and take a look. As you enter the front door, you're greeted by an open living room and dining area perfect for spending quality time with family and friends. The large kitchen has an abundance of storage, granite stone countertops, a gas cooktop, and an open pass-through to enjoy cooking while socializing with guests in the main living area. The primary bedroom is a lovely retreat featuring vaulted ceilings and ensuite bathroom with a recently remodeled stall shower. The hall bathroom features shower over tub and granite counter vanity coordinating with the rest of the home. The two additional bedrooms with ample natural light. The large rear patio has multiple seating areas, a barbecue island, a well-built cover to provide shade during those warm summer days, and the rear yard is fully landscaped, ready to enjoy the privacy of no rear neighbors and views of the Diablo Range Mountains. What's great about living in Brentwood is it's a short drive or BART ride to San Francisco, Oakland, and Berkeley. There's farmers markets on Saturdays from April till October. The streets of Brentwood features great shopping, incredible food options, and a deluxe movie theater. There's over 100 restaurants, quick bite places, and coffee shops to satisfy every craving. Live concerts and movie nights during the summer season. Numerous parks and recreation events. Several amazing vineyards for you wine lovers. And for those of you who are active, Brentwood has a lot to offer. It's a bike-friendly community, miles of hiking trails, indoor sporting options, and an incredible maintained outdoor sporting complex. You're also only 15 minutes away from the Delta waterways to wakeboard, wake surf, water ski, and some of the best bass fishing in the world. Where this home is located, you have an easy access to Vasco Road, which takes you through Livermore and beyond to the Silicon Valley of Santa Clara County. It's been a pleasure sharing this home with you. If you'd like more information, photos, or to tour the home via 3D scan, please go to the property website at 4568poe.com. Or if you'd like to talk more about the property or schedule a private showing, please give me a call at 925-382-6109. Thank you so much.